Align the U-anchor according to the engineered design. Most designs are transferred to the roof surface with chalk lines. Trace the perimeter of the U-anchor. Center the membrane attachment ring to the marked area. Install the U-anchor plate using the correct type and quantity of fasteners specified by your design professional. Realign the U-anchor to the marked area. Then, using the manufacturer's written specifications, hot air weld the interior area of the ring . Once the interior weld is completed, weld the perimeter edge of the target membrane to achieve a minimum 2-inch weld. If required, apply seam sealant in accordance with the roofing manufacturer's specifications. You have just completed installing the best anchoring system on the market for commercial roofs. Now you can go ahead and attach your mission-critical systems and components to the roof with confidence. Always be sure to have an experienced and professional roofer install your U-anchor while following the proper techniques and roofing manufacturer's written specification on every installation. And remember, if you need it installed on your roof, we can do that too. Thank you for choosing Anchor Products.